that circuit board. Components in a row, some capacitors sit high, there's a reason that they're so. An electrolytic standing just above the board, that isn't careless workmanship, it's knowledge being stored. Give the component breathing room, let the air move underneath, keep the heat from building up, that's a lesson tech should keep. Give that capacitor some air, let it breathe, don't press it tight against the board. Underneath a little space can help with air flow and heat and reduce the mechanical stress where the component meets. When you're building radios, every detail has a part. Good engineering starts with knowledge and heart. Raise that cap just right, give it room to spare. Sometimes good design means letting components breathe the air. Heat is the enemy, literally just learn to fear. And electrolytic capacitors don't like too much near. Clearance underneath can help that warmth escape while keeping board and component free from needle strain and screep. Don't bend the leads too hard, don't force them into place. Leave the part comfortable within its proper space. Mechanical stress can travel through the leads and seal. So careful assembly helps keep the component ideal. Give that capacitor some air, let it breathe, don't press it tight against the board. Underneath a little space can help with air flow and heat and reduce the mechanical stress where the component meets. When you're building radios, every detail has a part. Good engineering starts with knowledge and heart. Raise that cap just right, give it room to spare. Sometimes good design means letting components breathe the air. But here's the technician's lesson, don't assume it's always so. Check the manufacturer's specifications before changing how they go. Spacing, melting, temperature, every detail matters there. Know the reason for the layout, don't just guess because it's there. On a radio repair bench, little details tell the tale. Good workmanship and knowledge help the equipment prevail. Look at how it's mounted, look at how the board was made. Engineers don't place components without a reason in the trade. Airflow, temperature, vibration, mechanical strain. Understanding every factor helps equipment run again. Proper test gear and knowledge keep the diagnosis together. A good technician knows the circuit and its environment all together. Read the schematic, check